Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Backbuffercopy node in Godot to let multiple shaders working at the same time. Let's open this screen shaders demo. I will give you the link below. And we'll see there are three shaders here: a vignette, a viral, and a contrast shader. But we'll find that we cannot enable them at the same time. We can only see the first shader. So how do we fix that? The first choice is to change the opacity of the shader. We can change the visibility, the modulate, we lower the alpha, and we can see the shaders below it. So that isn't what we want, because these two shaders doesn't work together, they just overlapping. So how do we do that? First step, add a Backbuffercopy node. Second, drag it in between the shaders you want at the same time. And the third step is to change copy mode into viewport, and you'll see it work. And now we can copy this once again, and we can see the three shaders working at the same time. Let me see another copy mode, which is named direct. Direct is not work as it is what you see, because this rect box doesn't work at all. We must change here or in the code. So we'll change the rect to 0, 0, and size to 300, 300, and we'll find our shaders work on the left corner. So let's run it right now. Okay, you see it starts from the left bottom corner, not the left top corner. So that we need to know. So alright, that is today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.